Hello everyone, now this video will teach you how to work with the firmware error of this Seagate SSD hard drive. Now we can see that from this photo, this drive is one desktop hard drive, and on the label we can find out the SSD marked, and we can also see that it's the constellation ES3, and the model number is ST4000NM0053. Now let's check how to work with the firmware error. We have connected this drive to the DFL SRP firmware repair hardware, and then we connected the COM cable. Now we power on this drive, and let's see what is happening with this kind of drive. Now we can see that the drive is ready, and if we try to run the logical scan on this drive, we can see that the drive is perfect. But in the COM terminal, we can see this is a COM terminal. Let's try to use Ctrl Z. We can see that nothing outputs, and it's not possible to enter the F3T prompt. Not possible. So how to do? What to do? If we cannot enter the F3T prompt, we cannot work with the firmware error at all. So at this time, we need to enter the program, obtain details. Now we can see that this is a family name. It's 3063, and this is the family name. This is the family ID number. Now we click OK to enter the program, and we can see the model list is empty and cannot enter the F3T prompt. So for this kind of drive, the very first step for us is to back up the ROM. Now we click OK by COM, and we can use this high baud rate, and then we can try to click OK to back up this ROM. Now ROM read OK. So next we can try to use this unlock, generate unlock ROM. Then we select this original ROM, unlock ROM, click OK. Now we can see that it's not window operation success. Then next step, write ROM. Now we need to select the unlock ROM to write. This one, click OK. Now the program is writing the unlock ROM to this drive. Now the unlock ROM is written successfully. Next, we go to power off, power on the drive. Send unlock key. Now let's try Ctrl Z again. Ctrl L. That means this drive has been unlocked successfully. Let's try to see if we can read the SYS. Let's try to re-enter. Now we can see it's empty, but we need to re-enter the program. Now modules are available. Now let's try to back up the SYS. Reading failed. So we can see that there is something wrong. So how to fix this kind of situation? Cannot back up. Stop. Power on again. At this time, we can go to common functions. Here, unlock diag mode. Check the knock operation success. Now let's try to back up the important firmware modules again. Now we can see that the SYS files can be backed up successfully. So for this kind of family, we need to use the common functions. Use this menu to unlock the diagnosis mode. Then we can back up the firmware error. Next, we can try to try to repair the firmware, or we can try to view smart and reset smart. Now, smart clearing is completed. So it's very easy to reset the smart. Or users can try to run translator regeneration or do other kind of firmware repair. Now it's very easy. Users can do any kind of firmware repair operations. However, do not use the refurbishing functions, because some of the refurbishing functions will destroy the data. Like this one. Format Zero fill, this will destroy data, so don't use these functions for data recovery. So this is how users can work with this SED hard drive for this Seagate 4000NM0053.